Hi everyone, Mo from Cycle Garden. Today I am selling, this is my 1974 Eldorado Police. I finished restoration on this in 2022. Full restoration. You know, I ride it once in a while. I don't ride it a whole lot. But, you know, maybe it's time to clear the barn out, sell some stuff, make some more stuff. So, beautiful bike. I'm going to put a year warranty on this bike. So yeah, we're going to put her on eBay shortly. We got some beautiful weather out here. We're in the out here in the Coachella fields, and it's the end of February, and it's freaking like 80 degrees, so it's probably going to have a hot summer. Anyways, all right, let's take a look at this bike. Come on up here, Lindy Lou. So show them the front end. We got the double disc on that, Lindy Lou. We've got our beautiful wheels. We've got our S&M spotlights on this. We got the guide style front turn signals, polished dash, rebuilt speedometer. Heck, I only got 445 miles on it. Barely rode this thing. Gorgeous, gorgeous bike. Look at the back. It's set up for a friction siren. I might be able to find one, but it's got a siren bracket. It still has the siren lever on it. Up here, you can see this. So we are, if I can find one, I think I might have one lined up, but if we can find one, we'll see about putting something on there. Anyways, we're gonna put this up on eBay. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you guys looking for a full restoration, ready to go, ready for the summer. There we go. It's got current registration in my name and insurance, ready to go. Show them that, Lindy Lou. Bike's registered. No funny business with titles. It's easy to ship out. Got to ship it overseas. It's ready to go. All right. Lindy Lou will get you some nice pictures of that. Okay. Thank you guys for checking out the video, and we appreciate it. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps us with Google. And again, thank you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, so you're gonna try to sell this bike now, lady.
I'm definitely gonna sell this bike. This is gonna be the one bike that actually sells.
Really?
Yeah, we won't even charge extra for me riding it first. Well,
wow.
maybe I'll charge extra.
All right, lady.
All right.
Where are we gonna go? Which way are you gonna talk? You wanna talk right here?
All right, we all know you guys really wanna drop the money on this full restoration. This is the good bike. This is the awesome one. All the bells and whistles, it's all awesome. Plus I'm riding it.
I don't think that's gonna help sell it.
It's definitely gonna help sell it. All right, you guys wanna hear how it sounds?